ceased. All right, so let's get back. You see how it looks in mobile. That Naomeal still has issues, so I'm going to fix it again. I get back.
I'm not seeing your screen.
You're not seeing my screen. See it in Jesus' name. Open your eyes wide, you will see. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
So the Naomeal has an issue. We're going to reduce the size again. It fits now. Okay, so this is how it's going to look on mobile. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
And so if we change it to iPad, this is how it's going to look on iPad. And if we change it to, okay, I think I'm going to, because of iPad, we're going to still change something in the background. So let me still allow, I'm going to remove the other picture that we added. Okay? Because
Yes, sir.
that white place does not allow, so I'm going to remove the background overlay. You must be able to remember the positions that you added stuff so you can, if you want to change them. So I return the background overlay to this. I think I kind of like it better because everything is more visible. Okay, so let's see how it responds on mobile. You see, it's sweet, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it responds well on mobile. Let's see how it responds on very good on tablet. You see this? Very slick and simple. So we can even increase the size now to, let's see, let's work on that. You do not lie. So we can make this one column. You know, we are not using this column again
Yes, sir.
because there's nothing we're going to add here. So we're going to kind of, let's delete a column. I clicked, did you watch what I clicked?
Yes,
I
sir.
clicked on the column we don't need it, and I pressed delete on my keypad and it went off.
Okay.
All right. So you see, this is beautiful, Naomi. It's beautiful. Wow. You see that? Simple and beautiful. And you're scared if yours is actually going to be beautiful like that when you're done and you're relaxing because you're watching it. So you see, we have a button here, Naomi. We have, so can we increase the size a bit? Let's see how it's going to be on the normal size. Naomeal. Okay. Let's increase the size of Naomeal. So we're going to now bring this one down. Remember that we have padded it up. You have to remember where we did all these things. So we go to, please, what is playing?
That's it, sir.
Can you shut it down, please?
I'm not the one playing something. Somebody is in my room. Sir, continue. Is it distracting you?
Yes, the sound is so loud. I feel I'm the one playing it on my ear.
Okay. You're going to pick something actually. So, it's radio.
And what's this sound that is coming?
Which sound again?
Can you remove your earphone and put again?
Ah, God, though.
Okay, it's all right now. Okay, you can hear me now. So let's take down, so we go to typography. We always remember to scroll it down. This thing sometimes does not. Okay, so we scroll it down to line height. Okay, and we now take it down. Okay, and update it. Let's see how it looks. That is the system format. This is, okay, so we go back to work on the line height. All right. So we have to bring it up again. That is on tablet. You see,
Yes, sir.
update it. Then you go to mobile. It is okay. So the 3, 1, 2, and 3. It is very responsive. Amazing. All right. So let's okay, the first video has been converted successfully. All right, so let's add other pages to it. We are done with this. There's nothing more to do here. Okay, so let's click the plus sign. This time around, I want to show you other ways of adding page. So you click the plus sign. You click on, you see this file button.
Yes, sir.
There are a lot of templates hidden somewhere. So click on it. Don't go to blocks, don't go to pages, don't go to my template. Just wait here. It's about mail, right?
Yes, sir.
Just scroll down to the one you like, the one that you've seen pro being written on. Don't click on it. Just scroll down to what you would love next. But I don't think I love any of this. So I'm going to create mine. I'm going to create mine. You check blocks if you like any of this stuff. Our client, I think I will need this so we can display their logo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you have up to 8 clients? So I click and then it's selected for the space of our client. Connect, we're already connected. What's wrong with you? Okay. Wait for it to load. That's just another way of bringing out a particular template that has already been done by Elementor, and you just sit down and edit it. Or you can just create yours. So you see, I've added to it.
Yeah.
Now, these places are supposed to be their logos. Okay. So our clients, we leave that first. We don't want it. We're not using it first. So we come here where we have our client, click the plus sign because we want to add something here before they are client. Plus sign, we need a 3-card, 3-paragraph stuff. Okay, so we've added. Now we want to add our services, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we need another as the caption, so we can use it as the caption. You see this 1 and 2, 1, 2. This one will take the caption. This one is a single column. So you go to heading, drag the heading and drop and type there what we do. All right, or however you want to name it. What we do, you centralize it, alignment center. Your colors are green, right? So you go to styles, to style, change the color to green. It's a bit deeper green, right? So we change the color to green. Let's have this color, keep it, copy this color and keep, because we will keep using the color again and again. Okay, so we change it to green. You can add something anyway. Let's move. You copy it to green. Allow the fonts to be there so we don't need anything there, nothing more. Then you come here, click on here, search for, these are your tools. So you search for icon. We want to use an icon box. So it comes with icon, description. All right, icon and description. So you click it and drag. You see this, it comes with icon and description, icon and description. Or you can use, if you intend to use images, visible images, because you know you're dealing on food, so you want people to see what you do. So you can now add image box. Now this image box is different from image. Image box comes with image and description. Okay, so you drag the image box and you drop here. You see image, title, description, image, title, description. Then you now, again, you do it even if you have 10 places to drop it. Please keep going back. Yes, you can duplicate, but there is a comma when you duplicate. There are things you need to do. I've not taught you that yet. Okay, so I drag it into the 3 places. Now, this will signify, this will explain what you do. Oh, I'm using icons in this one, and you did not even tell me. You see, there is no difference between the icon and the image, but this icon is that you will not be able to upload an image here. It's going to be, yes, it's going to be an icon. That place I went, and probably you are doing delivery, free delivery. So you just look for a van and select one of the vans here and insert. You see that? Okay, so you won't be able to use an image here because the image type that is needed is called SVG. We have not gone to that. When I teach you Bootstrap, I'll tell you what SVG is. Okay, so we're going to use image, not icon. Image box, not icon box. So we have image box and we have icon box. All right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we use image.
Sir, do you have a school?
If I have what?
Do you have a school?
Expo, how?
A school.
A school? I don't have a school. Why do you ask?
I would have got to enroll in your school.
Hmm?
I said I would have loved to come to enroll in your school.
Like it's enroll in my school in what sense?
Like this what you are doing. Well
But I'm
done.
teaching you. Am I not teaching you?
Yeah, oh, yeah, it's
Or
true.
you feel you're not going to get enough? But it's true. That is why I suggested that you should, Dami, you see that masters you're doing, you're not going to make money from it. I'm telling you the truth. That's why I told you should you should look for money and let me teach you a lot of things, advanced stuff. All these I'm teaching you are supposed to be elementary stuff. In fact, I've taught you more than what I intended to teach you when we started. Yes, that's the truth. So I hope as you're listening, you're watching what I'm doing.
Yes, sir.
So we're now looking for, okay, let me use these cakes. I'm going to upload these 3 types of cakes. For instance, I'm going to upload this crayfish, this Yemax crayfish, then this food. Okay. Then I've not seen any of the stuff you sent to me. So
I have deleted them.
I did not. It's somewhere. So I'm going to. Okay, I've seen the cake. So I've gotten 3 images. Or it's more than 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've gotten 6 images, so I'm uploading them. So this one is done. I just pick it. We don't have much time. I just pick it. You know, it was here that I clicked. So the image is going to appear there. You see that?
Yes, sir.
Then, okay, let me just click all, include the images in all. Then we start doing the settings. Okay, barbecued fish is up. You want to eat it? You can bite your screen now. And Umax crayfish is up. All right, so this is what I do. We're going to start customizing it. Okay, so you click on here, you click on the pencil that has to do with the barbecued fish, and you go to styles. You drag the width.
I wanted to ask that the thing cannot be increased.
Now you drag the width and it fills the place. The same with this. You drag the width, go to styles, drag the width, and it fills. You go to styles. You know why this other picture is not? Because the picture is not big as this. So
Yes, sir.
sometimes it is good to use pictures that have the same dimension. Okay, it is
Yes,
good.
sir.
So I'm going to reduce this one to be at the same. Okay, you see that? All right. So it has the same dimension now, but these sides. So I'm going to I should I'm going to look for what will make it full. All right, but that same dimension. So let's picture is full already. Custom. Let's take 200 by 200. Okay. Custom 200 by 200. That's what I got. So we have to know the size of this image so that we can set the custom to the same size. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
But right now, there is no how we will be able to determine the size of this image. Let's see if we can determine that. I clicked here. Let's see if we can determine that. It was content. No, not content. Image box. Okay, the size is full. I don't know what they have not. So let's take large 1000 to 1024 by 1024. Let's see 1024 by 1024. Oh, 1024. Let's see.
Is you
It's not
that
gonna,
one is 2000, no, 2024.
it won't even change. The reason why it won't change is because the image itself, okay, you see, but it cannot get to the width of
Yes.
it cannot
Yes.
enlarge because the picture itself doesn't have the width is not bigger than that. But I think we are okay with that. So we get to the cake and you increase the width. This other picture is just like the other one. So, well, so when you are designing pictures for your site, choose pictures that are rectangles and not square. Or you can choose square. Square can go. You know, if all of it were square pictures like this, you know, in fact, the picture that is really causing the issue is this Emacs crayfish
Yes.
because the dimensions are different. You understand? But these ones
Yes.
have the same dimensions. So you see, if I increase this one to be full, this one too will be full. And the Emacs crayfish will be half. So let's avoid that. So let's check how it appears on tablet. Ah, very sweet on.
Yeah, it's fine, no.
And let's check how it is on phone. You see that?
Wow.
It drops down on phone. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
You're excited.
yeah.
All right.
My was telling me to
So
fine.
now you know how to edit the headings, right? You know how to edit here, right?
Yeah,
So
yes,
what
sir.
you will do is just to change the words, just change the words to what you want. Now, so the next page should be about us. Okay. So we come here and add a page. You know, I don't want to use the client yet. So the about us is going to be, I want to use a foot on this side and your details on this side. So that is 2 column, right?
Yes, sir.
So I click here and I look for a picture. I click here. I think we should have a background there. The background should also be the Fenton green background. So let's click here first and edit the background to green. I choose. So was it green? That color we used, that your color. It was deeper than
So
this.
deep, yes, deep
Okay,
green.
like this. Then we now you see how it is. Remember the line height and all that. So you come to layout and you change the height to minimum height. You change the okay, I think every other thing should be the way it is. You go back to styles. We want to set the background overlay where we have the opacity. Always remember to click the classic, and we now set the opacity to okay. Um, we set the opacity to black, right? Then we reduce it. It's too deep, right? It's deeper than what we had here. So you go back
Yes, sir.
here, check the settings of what you did. What did we do here? That's if you tend to forget. What we did here was it was actually an image that we used. Okay, so let's look for an image and overlay it with green. You get it now?
Yes, sir.
If you don't get it, forget about it. So we look for an image like this barbecued fish. We insected. Oh, we have another beautiful image there we've not used. So you see this one?
Are you the one that ate that barbecue fish?
Yes, I am the one. So we remember all those line height and all that, set it to repeat position. You make it to be, I want it to still be bottom center. No, not bottom center.
Bottom right.
What bottom right? I
Bottom
still
right.
want the bottom right. It will go to bottom right, don't worry. Then scroll should be fixed. Okay. Then repeat, no repeat. Default size should be, we use, was it content?
It was default.
It was default.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But I kind of like that content.
I like it too.
Let's see how, but this is company's name. So let me come to center right. Okay. Um, size should be cover. Very good. I like the cover. Okay. So now I'm going to overlay it. Let's see how it looks on mobile. See how it looks on mobile. So we are going to overlay it. This is how it looks on iPad, and this is how it looks on system. So let's overlay the background to, it was already black that was overlaid. So we don't want black, we want green. You see that? So let's make it a bit deeper. This other green looks milky. So let me look for that green. But it's because the background is white. You see, but this background is not white. It's almost the same thing. Okay. All right. Okay, so we're actually done with that, with setting that page. So we're going to now add stuffs here. We said there's going to be an image here, and there's going to be your details here, or your details here and your image here. So what we do is, at first, we have to include a page that will give us a title. So we drag the page. You don't have to make that one minimum height and all that, okay? So you just go, you drag your title back to your, you see, so the title there is about us. About us, you center it. Don't always forget to center. I think that's all. Oh, we had the green color. Remember, it always have to be green because you are green. You are yet.
Naomeal.
Okay, so we change it to green color. And the link, let's add a link. What link should we add? We had created an about, right? So
Yes, sir.
I don't like this underline link. You know where this came from?
About.
This came from the theme. We did not set it that your link shouldn't be underlined. Because even if you come here to your styles to set your typography, normally when you set your typography to text decoration, it should be none. But you see, it doesn't respond. Your text decoration should be none. If you actually make it overline, you see, so I think we make it like that.
Oh no.
But I added it here at what we do. It didn't do that. So why is it doing it here? Okay, we didn't add at what we do. We didn't add. Okay, so this is it. We remove the link for now. I want you to understand that there's so many other ways of doing things. So you can add the link here inside this page, okay?
Yes, sir.
You can add the link inside and you can add the link on your right up here. So let's put, you want to write your about, right? So text comes here first. And you know you're going to look for a color that doesn't conflict with this background. So
Should be white now.
I prefer, will white not conflict? Let's see. I make it bold and I make it styles. Go to styles and change the color to white. Okay. White is okay, right? Lorem ipsum dollar sit amet consectua. You know what this means?
I don't know.
It means nothing. It's just a demo word that have been created online. So if you are looking for details to just add to your site, you can go there. You can go there, copy them and add to your site. It gives you what you want without sitting down to crack your brain on what to do. So you add your about information here and you come here. We want to add an image here. So you come, what type of image do you want to add? You want to add an image that has details, or you want to add image that, you know, are you with me? Image that doesn't have details. So let's just add a plain image. Remember, if you want to add an image that has details, it has to be image box.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. So we now come here, choose this. I love this Emacs. You see that? So it comes up here. That's a full size. Okay. So the Emacs comes up. And while your details comes up here. Okay, so we still need to add another one. In 10 minutes, this class will be over. We still need to add another one, and that one has to do with your contact us. So I want it to be like this. Backcam. This side is bigger than this side. So you click here. Nothing. Okay, line height. Minimum height. That's all. Then no background, or if you decide to use a background, maybe a color, a slight little sweet milky something
Crayfish.
huh?
Not a crayfish.
So we decide to use something light. In that place, you see something light. So we want to include something here. I want to include maps. So you search for Google Maps, you bring it, you put the Bakam.
Yeah.
What's
Wow.
your location?
Ibadan.
Huh?
Ibadan.
Ibato. So Ibato, Abi?
Ah. Ibadan.
Ibadan.
Do.
Oh, they have
Yeah.
shown me Ibato Plaza at Meduguri. Ibadan. Where is the exact location at Ibadan?
In Ibadan. University of Ibadan.
Are you living inside the university?
Close to.
Close to. So
Yes.
University of Ibadan.
California.
Eh? You see that?
California.
Now, University of Ibadan. So you zoom it in so that the pointer will really point on the location. You see that? So if somebody is coming, the person knows, oh, this place is around University of Ibadan. Okay. So I zoom it to the last. Oduduwa Road. Is that the road that you live?
Oduduwa.
Oduduwa. Okay, you can see Jaja Avenue.
Yes, sir.
And you know the Jaja Avenue, Abi?
I don't know.
You don't know, but you're living there.
Yes, sir.
So you can see, and if I need directions here, I can just click back. This is what happens on your website.
Yeah.
So where am I coming from? Imagine maybe I was browsing through your website. All right. So I'm coming from Lagos. I'm coming from Iyanapaja. From Iyanapaja Road. Ipaja Bridge, Ipaja, no. Awara bus stop, William Street, Iyanapaja. Okay, let me choose this. Iyanapaja. That's where I'm coming from. I want to go to University of Ibadan, where your address was. So it's going to take me how long? 2 hours, 23 minutes from this place. 2 hours, that's if I'm driving, 2 hours, 23 minutes. So what do? See directions on your phone. If I click now, it's going to pop up my how do I call it? My maps on phone. So you look here, you see here, it gives you every direction you need. It says take Ipaja Road, Old Ipaja Road. From there, you do what? You go to Ojudo Bega. From there, follow Expressway 1, Lagos. Makolo Road. Mokola Road. Mokola Road. Oyo Road in Ibadan. Then I continue to Oyo Road, drive to Jaja Avenue. Very simple. You see that? And I arrived at University of Ibadan.
Okay. I know Jaja. Oh.
So I arrived at University of Ibadan. So very simple. So one can just look at the maps here that you've added here and understand where to get to, how to meet you. So this other side, we want to add social media icons, phone number, and all that. So we want to, let's say, icon list, how it will be. Okay. Item 1, if you are listing things. So we can have this icon list to list your 3 phone numbers. All right. So icon list 1, you can change the icon. You can change the icon. For instance, I want to use phone. So phone 1. Okay. I want to use phone number 1. But you can change the name too. You understand? So phone number 1. Phone number 2, phone number, we go for phone again. We keep adding, and we can add mobile. For instance, if maybe you see people do have office mobile and all that, office phone mobile, we add mobile. I don't know if there's going to be okay. It comes up and we add mobile. So now you change the list one name, you change the text. The text is going to be 0905. Okay. When you want to type a phone number that is as international standard, this is it. Plus 234. You put the O in the middle. Okay. And type 90503-710. Whose phone number is that? It's not my phone number. 7101111. Okay, that's my phone number. I type 77. Okay, you come here and edit it. Okay. And you can, this is the template I want you to follow. All right.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is the first list, second list, third list. And we want to still include something else. So you come here and bring out we want to put a icons, social media icons. So those were your contact icons. So we include the social media icons here. You see that, which is the YouTube, Facebook. So we remove the YouTube. You're not on YouTube. Are you? Are you there?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
What did I do to show recording in progress?
I don't know, sir. It's just pop out the Zoom.
I can
Sir,
see.
are you sure? Hey, oh, the recording has not stopped.
Probably, I don't know.
Okay.
Did I even record the second one?
Ah, sir, please record it too.
Let me check.
Hey, God, oh, please.
But I just heard recording in progress.
Hey, that's
Okay,
why I asked.
is it? Did you hear that too?
Yes, I heard it too.
Maybe it's still in progress, like it has not stopped. Maybe I wanted to minimize it. It's still in progress.
It's I heard the recording start. I be what?
But when I okay record when if I'm starting it, it's going to be recording start.
Yeah, that's what it said though.
You know, it says in
Okay.
progress. You cannot minimize it when recording is in progress.
Okay.
Okay, let me just finish it up and maybe end the lesson. All right, so you see Facebook, WhatsApp. You can add another icon here.
See,
Uh, huh?
I'm not seeing your screen.
You're not seeing my screen.
Yes, sir.
Oh, let me stop the recording and